I'm Chase, by the way.
Oh, hello, Chase.
Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you.
Let's get you in here. Alrighty. Let's see what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna pump this open just a little bit. I'm gonna grab that latch right there, pull it up. That should be all we need.
As long as you don't break nothing.
We ain't gonna break nothing. Appreciate it.
I thought you were gonna use your light.
That should be good enough.
Oh, that's like a step, like a foot pusher.
Joey got one of those with bags and stuff.
I appreciate the light.
Yeah, he in there.
You see that right there?
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna grab. Once
The funny thing, my mustache tickle, I kiss you.
And just like that, we in there.